Yo, what's good? Superstar here, back with another video, and for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys the easiest way to make an oatmeal. Anyways, the first thing that you need is a bowl and, of course, a spork or any type of thing that you can smash a banana with. I recommend using half a banana for this. Let's get to smashing. Now, warning, it is kind of difficult, but you will eventually get through it. Now that I'm done smashing the banana, I'll be adding in some granola. The brand that I like to use is this one right here. Now, since I don't eat a lot in the morning because I literally just woke up, I will be adding half a piece of smashed granola because if I put too much, then I'm barely gonna taste the banana. I'm gonna taste more granola. And of course, I'm gonna put in a blueberry, smash a little bit, maybe one more, since I love blueberries. And to add a little bit more flavor, I'll add a little dried strawberry. Mix it up. And these are the final results. Let's try it out to see how amazing I did. Tastes amazing. If I were to rate this one from a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this personally a 9 out of 10. 1 point off because strawberry and oatmeal isn't really the best combination, but the blueberries, the banana, and the granola just all taste amazing together. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much. I hope you enjoy this recipe if you followed it. I'd like to call it the Superstar Breakfast Special. If you want to learn how to make more delicious foods, I recommend liking, subscribing, and sharing to a friend. And if you have any questions, concerns, video recommendations, etc., feel free to comment down below.